I wasted an entire year not knowing these 9 free AI tools existed. If I had found them sooner, I would have saved hundreds of hours. Don't make the same mistake I did. Most people are out here working twice as hard when these tools could be doing half the work for them. Today, I am going to change that for you completely. All right, let's get into it. Number 1 is ChatGPT free. Now, I know what you're thinking, everybody knows ChatGPT, but trust me, most people are only using 10% of what this thing can actually do. The free version gives you GPT-4o, which is one of the most powerful AI models on the planet right now. Use it to write scripts, reply to emails, generate ideas, and summarize documents in seconds. Number 2 is Perplexity AI, and this one genuinely surprised me. Imagine Google, but instead of giving you 10 links to click through, it just gives you one perfect answer with sources attached. I use Perplexity every single day for research, and it saves me at least an hour of Googling. The free version is more than enough. Seriously, go download it after this video. Number 3 is Claude AI Anthropic, and this might honestly be most incredibly powerful for long-form writing and documents. If you have a long PDF, report, or document you need summarized in seconds, Claude is your best friend. It handles long content better than any other AI right now. And yes, it is completely free. Number 4 is Gamma AI, and this one is specific for anyone who hates making presentations. I used to spend 3 hours building slides. With Gamma, I now do it in literally 30 seconds. You just type your topic, hit generate, and Gamma builds you a beautiful professional presentation instantly. The free plan is more than enough to get started, and the results look incredible. Number 5 is CapCut AI, and if you are a content creator, this tool will change your life. Auto captions, auto cut, text-to-speech, background removal, all completely free, and you are making it entire real. Number 6 is Notion AI. Notion on its own is already one of the best free productivity tools ever built. You can write content, organize projects, manage your ideas, and automatically summarize your notes all in one place. Number 7 is 11 Labs, the best free AI voice generator available right now. And when I say the voices sound human, I genuinely mean it. The first time I heard it, I thought it was a real person. If you are running a faceless YouTube channel, you can use 11 Labs to create professional voiceovers without ever recording your own voice. The free plan gives you enough credits to get started today. Number 8 is Google Notebook LM, and this is probably the most slept on tool on this entire list. You upload any document, PDF, or article, and Notebook LM instantly becomes an expert on that content. You can ask it questions, request summaries, and it even creates podcast-style audio from your notes automatically. Completely free from Google and one of the most impressive AI tools I have personally used. And number 9, Canva AI. You already know Canva, but the AI features they have added recently are on a completely different level. AI image generation, magic write, background remover, all free. For making YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, and channel art, Canva AI is the only design tool you will ever need. Free to start today and incredibly easy to use even for complete beginners. So there you have it, 9 completely free AI tools. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gamma, CapCut, Notion, 11 Labs, Notebook LM, and Canva AI. Every single one is free right now. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 9 tools are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to AISkillUp. See you in the next one.